work from home jobs that actually pay? That's what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. And if you're interested in learning more, you want to stay up to the very end of this video. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you are watching. If you're new here, welcome, karibu. My name is Eva Mtalii, and on this channel we talk about all things making money. We talk about side hustle opportunities, and we talk about passive income. If any of those topics sound exciting to you, you want to hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, remember to hit the notification bell as well, so that every single time I shoot a new video, you do not miss out. Without much further ado, the number one work from home job that actually pays is teaching your native language online. And there's different platforms out there whereby you can teach your native language, but my favorite is italki.com. And the platform brings together people who are interested in learning a language together with those native speakers who are available to teach those languages. And I love italki.com because unlike other platforms that just focus on English only, with italki there are literally all languages on the planet. Whether you're based out of Africa, whether you're based out of Asia, Europe, there's pretty much every single language that is available. And the beauty with italki is that you set your own hours, and just with a simple mobile phone and internet connection, you can actually start making money today by teaching your native language. And to register on italki.com as a tutor, you can either do it as a professionally trained teacher, whereby you will sign up as a professional teacher. You need certification for that. Or if you do not have certification in the language in which you're teaching, then you can sign up on the platform as a community tutor. And this video up here gives you a step-by-step process of how to sign up for italki, and this playlist here gives you all the other details about what it takes to teach another language on italki. So that's number one way to make money from home, is by teaching your native language. Okay, number two way to make money from home is through Airbnb online experiences. So most of us know Airbnb for booking accommodation. However, during the pandemic, when most people could not travel, Airbnb introduced what they call online experiences. So through the Airbnb platform, you can share some experiences that are unique to your culture or to your country, or just exciting with the rest of the world through an online platform such as Zoom. And the beauty with Airbnb online experiences is that you do not even need to own property to make money with Airbnb online experiences. And I have seen people on the platform doing all manner of experiences and getting paid for it. I know a guy who teaches people how to make samosas and masala chai, and he gets paid. He's from India. I know a lady from France who gets paid by offering an Airbnb online experience of teaching others how to sober a champagne. I know of a Kenyan lady who teaches people how to make chapati and mokimo and githeri and cabbage, and she gets paid through the Airbnb online experiences. I know a guy who teaches people about Kenyan traditions, and he gets paid for it. So anything that you think would excite somebody of another culture, then just go to Airbnb.com and under online experiences, and you can sign up. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom. Number three work from home job that actually pays is as a song lyrics transcriber. So basically your job here is you will get paid to transcribe songs from voice to text. So for example, most of the time when we hear a new song that we love, then we just want to sing along. And one of my favorite websites where you can work on this job is genius.com. So you will go under the career section and look for lyrics associate. So your job will be to transcribe different songs. And one thing I love about genius.com is that as a lyrics associate, you can actually work part-time, because most of the work is between Thursday and through Sunday. and you get paid somewhere from $17 an hour to this kind of work, and that's definitely something I would love to do. I mean, you're being paid to listen to songs and to transcribe them. And on their website, they mention that they are interested, especially if you can speak additional languages to English, like the Jamaican patois or any other languages, then definitely this is something you want to consider. A song lyrics subscriber, and I'm going to leave a link at the bottom for the genius.com website. Number 4 work from home job that actually pays is as a voiceover artist. So basically, as a voiceover artist, you will work with radio, you'll work with commercial, work with movies, and just anybody who produces video content or audio content, and you will provide your voiceover services to whatever will be happening in the background. So you will never be seen and only be heard. And a great place to start off is at Fiverr.com, where you get to list your gig, you get to list some sample demo audios of how your voice sounds like, and especially if you're based in Africa or in Asia, the world is moving towards authenticity. And for example, when people want voiceover for a Kenyan audience, they would rather have somebody who speaks English with a Kenyan accent. If they're looking for voiceover for English content in Nigeria, they would rather hire somebody from Nigeria who can speak Pidgin, for example. So that has obviously created a lot of opportunity for people who want to make money with their voices. Alternatively, you can cold call potential employers and just send clips of your demo audios, and you just never know, somebody could approach you. Number 5 work from home job that actually pays is YouTube. Yes, YouTube pays, and the most common way to make money with YouTube, again, which is the most unpredictable, is through the YouTube partnership program. This is whereby once you get to 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours in watch time in the last 365 days, then you can give Google permission to put advertisements on your videos. So for example, so how you get paid is these advertisers are gonna pay YouTube to play advertisements on your videos. If your viewers watch those advertisements, then these advertisers will pay YouTube some money, and YouTube will give you 60% of whatever they get paid. And this varies by your niche, it varies by your location. So for example, if your viewers are based out of North America, for example, or Europe, then you will get paid a little more. And how it works, you're paid for every 1,000 views. So let's say if I get 10,000 views on my video, and my revenue per mil, that is how much I get paid for 1,000 views, is $40, then YouTube will give me 40 times 10, because there's 10,000 views, so 10,000 divided by 1,000, that's 10 times 4, that's $400. That's pretty much how it works. But there are other ways you can still make money on YouTube, even if you're not yet monetized. For example, you can work with brands and ask them to sponsor your videos, and you get paid. You can put affiliate links in the description box of your videos. You can also market your own products. So let's say you have an Etsy shop or you have an online shop. You can put links to your Etsy shop at the description box, and hopefully your viewers can click on those links and make a purchase. Alternatively, I have also seen there's the option to ask for donations from your viewers. So you probably have seen where YouTubers leave links and say, hey, kindly donate through my PayPal address as this, or this is my Patreon address. So that's also another way you can make money on YouTube. Well guys, that's it for today in terms of the different ways, the different work from home jobs that actually pay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please leave a sweet comment below. It helps with the algorithms and the video to get to a lot more people. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next video.